coming tomorrow. The very red-hot Jonas Brothers coming back on our show to perform.
Is right.
Yep,
Emily Proctor from CSI Miami will be here.
Looking forward to seeing her. Natasha Bedingfield's new CD is in the stores right now, and here she is with the big hit from it. Here's Natasha with Love Like This. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Your attitude, and that's why you keep on running in and out of my mind. As the years they roll by, it's not hard to know why I keep coming back to you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're the only one that knows me. Love it when you hold me. I never find a love like this. Now I'll never be lonely. Look at what you show me. I never find a love like this. When the world's trying to keep us apart, keep calling me back to your heart. Let me hear you say, I'm so glad you found me. Wrap your world around me. I never find a love like this. Other guys try to take me. You're the one to save me. I feel like I owe you my life. And as strange as it may seem, I go if you take me. I'm willing to sacrifice. And that's why you keep on